Capcom is also proud to announce Mega Man, an all-new animated television series.
Mega Man! 21st century Earth. The good Dr. Thomas Light creates Mega Man, a warrior hero with titanium battle armor. His mission? To stop the evil Dr. Wily in his quest for world domination, along with Wily's rebel robot force. Mega Man, with his faithful companion, Rush the Robo-Dog, go head-to-head against the worst of Wily's bad robots. Mega Man, the game produced by Capcom, the premier supplier of interactive cartridges in the world today, has sold over 2.5 million Mega Man cartridges to date, with pre-sales of over 750,000 units for the upcoming SNES version of the next Mega Adventure, leading to an even higher awareness with boys 6 to 12. Mega Man, the toys, by Bandai, the leader in toys in Japan and other Pacific Rim countries, have been hugely successful. Now Mega Man comes to the United States, ready to launch a major licensing program. And the Mega News for 1994, Capcom is bringing you the animated Mega Man story with 13 half-hour episodes, produced by the award-winning action-adventure Ruby-Spears Animation Studios. With a per-episode budget of $300,000, each Mega Man half-hour will feature the most popular game characters. Bad robots, like Guts Man with his incredible strength, Bright Man with his blinding flashes of light, the pesky Patantons, a big nuisance for the Blue Bomber, the egg-bombing birds, and all the robot bosses that have made Mega Man a breakout hit with boys. The well-known Mega Man will reach new heights when it comes into your station's homes, ready to knock off the competition. Mega Man, a mega hit for 1994.